Any role models in your life, any people who have supported you?
My role model is my father. Actually, he taught me a lot. Because he was in police services, so he taught me discipline and determination. And he said one thing always: if you are standing for truth, then take a stand without fear कि who is against you.
Hello everyone and welcome to Skill Tree Education Evangelist of India Season 3. This is the only show that recognizes the leading educators of our country for their path-breaking efforts in revolutionizing the Indian education framework. And today on the sets of Educational Evangelist, we will have one such educator, an evangelist who's on a mission to nurture ethical global leaders to the country, leaders who are equipped to handle the 21st century industry needs. He's a man who believes that a winner never quits and a quitter never wins. Today, he is leading one of the most sought after universities of Northern India along with 9 institutes having more than 6,000 students. Let us welcome on stage Mr. Umesh Gautam, the Chancellor of Invertis University, Bareilly. And let me tell you, he is also the Mayor of Bareilly. Welcome, Mayor Saab.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So, you're a mayor
Yeah.
and you're an educator, huh? That's a very interesting combination. Before we get into all that, how did this begin? How did you become interested in the education field and how you decided to open your own college?
Actually, in North India, especially Bareilly, when we started in 1998, there are no educational institution which give higher studies. So, whenever students for higher education, they went to Karnataka, Maharashtra, in other states. So, it comes in my mind that if God give me something, so definitely I will start a higher educational institution in Bareilly. So, we started in 1998 with an 83 student. So, the journey starts in 1998, but with a big dream. This institution must be changed in a full-fledged university. Maybe it will take 10 to 12 years. That was my first message in 1998 in the admission brochure. So, by God grace, we converted this Invertis Institute of Management Studies in Invertis University in 2010. So, it took around 12 years, but the journey was very nice with 83 students and now more than 6,000 students.
Did you expect this kind of response in Bareilly? Because some people just leave कि भाई बाहर पढ़ेंगे.
There were a lot of challenges because people, it's believing it's very difficult, believing in the good faculty and retaining to the good students. Those are secured 90+% marks. Retaining them in Bareilly itself, it was a big challenge.
Everybody wants to go out.
Everybody wants to go out. But we got success. It took some years, but now the students are studying in Bareilly only.
Yeah. And how did you get good faculty? Like you said, it was difficult to convince faculty to, like the top faculty, to say you come to Bareilly, come to this new college, this town not known for education. How did you do that?
It's really a great challenge for me to call the faculty members from great institutions like IIM and IITs. But I tried and I contacted people. Somehow the people from UP, they are in going to be in touch with me and they joined. Give a heartbreaking break to Invertis and give a great start.
Like whenever you face these challenges in the last 20 years, who are some of the people who helped you, supported you?
One is my academic advisor. He is late Dr. Bhagwati Prasad. He was from Karnataka. He joined me as an advisor and he helped me. He made me an educator. He taught me a lot about education, how you can start, how you can retain the good faculty members, and how you can give discipline to the students, because after 10+2 it's again a challenge to keep a pace of education in the students, because after 10 plus 2 they think that they are free now. They are free because some of things for the higher education as a passion. Some, those students are from business family, they think that they have already done it. So it's very difficult. But I learn a lot, and we are, justifying to the education.
Good. In fact, I have a very sweet message for you right here.
Education can be thought it as the accumulation of knowledge and transmission of values that would be best described by Dr. Umesh Gautam, the Chancellor of the University.
Chancellor of Invertis University, Dr. Umesh Gautam, is a transformational leader. He is a person with rock solid determination, and he is also blessed with impeccable energy and enthusiasm. If I look on his journey as an education evangelist, in his early days, while he was pursuing his graduation, he could sense that the aspirants and students of this region, they were not having the adequate facility as far as the top quality education is concerned. So sensing this, he decided that he would someday venture into the education sector, and the result is in front of you.
Invertis University gives platform to the young generation so that they can come up with small startups for the upliftment of the society. Invertis University helps to bring their dreams into reality.
Since when he has taken the charge as a mayor of this city is heading towards, or rather I would say, we are all set to fulfill the dreams of the Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi.
That's nice to hear people, saying such good things about you. I mean, what was your student days and childhood like? Was it in Bareilly, I guess?
In many cities, because my father is in police service, in UP Police Services. So I have taste of every city.
Okay.
So nearby Bareilly, I studied a lot. But I was never, a front bencher or a back bencher. I used to sit everywhere. Because I want to learn more and more, and every student give you, some lesson. If you have, zeal to learn, you can learn from everyone.
Yeah.
So, sometimes I was front bencher, sometimes back, sometimes middle. So I enjoyed everything and learned a lot.
Yeah. When you see your students graduate, doing well in life, are you in touch with some of them?
Yes, I am in touch
Yeah.
with
and
lot of them.
Today, when you look back 20 years and someone asks you, what is your biggest achievement personally to you? What is
Actually,
it?
last year I went to New York, and in New York I post on my Facebook that I am in some college for some exchange program, and believe me, within 2 hours I got 100 of messages. Okay, we are your student and we are here in New York, or 100 miles or 200 miles away. Kindly fix up a dinner. We will all come and want to join you. So that was the biggest satisfaction on
Really?
that day.
That was one of the biggest
Yep.
moments of your life?
Yes, because I didn't expect
Yeah.
more than 100 of students in the New York City. So that was the, I think, biggest moment for me to,
Definitely. I mean, and you have to thank Facebook also, because of that you can actually
because, yeah, definitely.
you can do this. But as a student, it was a simple life, I guess. Your father was a very simple background from the police.
Yeah.
Moving from here. Did you learn a lot by moving a lot?
Yes, I learn because in every city there are different students. I met, different students. I make a lot of new friends. So learning always there
Yeah.
in different cities.
You mentioned your students in New York, but we also have a special message for you from your students
Okay.
who want to share how Invertis is helping them. Please have a look.
As per the tagline of Invertis University, उम्मीदों की ज़मी विश्वास का आसमा. As a student, I found it very true on this ground. Invertis provides a platform to groom not only as a student but as a corporate and industry ready.
Apart from academics, Invertis also gives us wings to fly outside the walls of universities by giving us opportunities like Auto Expo, Foreign Exchange, and many more.
Here, my journey has been spectacular. The prime focus of university is not only on academics, but on other things as well. They organize so many events and activities which help every individual to uphold their personalities.
Wow, it's great to see. You must feel good to hear like such an impact you're making. You know, in this sector, in education sector, there are a lot of unscrupulous players also. I'm sure you know people who are doing all kinds of wrong things.
That's right.
Not having the quality, not cutting shortcuts, things like that. How do you make sure Invertis always has the quality, and like what can we do to make sure, you know, that this doesn't happen
Actually, I am living in Invertis only.
inside the campus?
Inside the campus. So, being inside the campus, I used to take meetings even in late evenings with the faculty members. So, with the students, especially those are hostlers. So, I used to play with them. So, they easily told me what is going on. So, if something is wrong, then I check immediately and remove whatever obstacles is, because the quality is the first thing which have to provide. So, I can take
So you work
guarantee
full
on me.
time and double time
Yes.
and overtime for the college. Do you get a salary?
Yes, I got a salary.
Okay, good.
but not as much as I am giving my time.
So you're saying, you also said not only you have meetings with faculty, you have meeting with students also.
Yeah.
And they come and tell you the issues.
That is the important thing, because I used to take some motivational classes and I used to play with them cricket or so they become friendly. So they easily tell
Okay.
if the problem is going on with some faculty, some curriculum. So they told me and I corrected.
Any role models in your life, any people who have supported you? Who are these people who have made you who you are today?
My role model is my father. Actually, he taught me a lot. Because he was in police services, so he taught me discipline and determination. And he said one thing always: if you are standing for truth, then take a stand without fear कि who is against you. So that make lot of difference in my life, and whatever I am because of him.
And any life pillars?
Yeah, that is my wife, Sonal. She supported me a lot in every moment, whether it's hard time or the leisure time. She supported me a lot. So she is the great pillar in my life. If I am successful, I am because of her.
You know, it's nice, good to see that someone who owns a college plays cricket with the students of the college. And you're a mayor of Bareilly also.
Yeah.
How did that happen?
That is actually due to some political rivals, because when you work hard, then people become enemy. So it comes in my mind, why not join politics, because in politics people are not working as per expectations of the people. So I joined and I became mayor in 2017.
So how are you managing with the university? You're saying you live in the college, 6,000 students, so much work there already. Then how are you doing the mayor work?
So I am early morning, start in university, and in daytime I used to give to mayor office in city, and again in evening, late evenings, I used to sit till 12 o'clock in the university and finishes all my work.
Wow, so you're working all the time. Do you have plan to go further in the politics also? You want to do more?
No, it's decided by the party basically,
Okay.
because if they said yes, definitely I'll go.
Anything else I might have missed? Anything else you want to say? Any message or any other thing about Invertis you want to share?
We are doing a lot of things in Invertis, as we are doing faculty exchange program, student exchange program. So students, those are studying in bigger universities. They paid a lot of money for a student exchange if they want to go in US, but at Invertis they not need to pay anything. They for whole semester they studied in US and everything is free. So that is also a achievement of Invertis to have such an tie-ups. We have tie-ups with the industry, we have tie-ups with the corporates, and definitely support of alumni. So in curriculum especially, we have all the mixture. We have corporate, industry people, educationists, alumni, and the current students. So they all sit and make curriculum as per the need of the hour. So that is the big thing, the achievement especially. So we are running with it, and I am really happy that we are doing it.
I'm also really enjoying our conversation, and I'm very happy that you have reached these milestones in your personal life as well as for Invertis, and made such a difference to the life of your students. So I thank you so much for coming here. I have a small memento for you.
Yeah, okay.
And thank you guys for joining me on this engaging episode of Skill Tree Education Evangelist of India, Season 3, powered by Great Place to Study. I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Until then, goodbye. Don't forget to catch this show exclusively on ForbesIndia.com.